The government, through the Prime Minister's Office and the Korea Foundation for International Healthcare, has launched a WASH project at Masese landing site in Jinja city to curb open defecation. The initiative aims to eliminate diarrhea diseases by 2040 across 16 districts across and around Lake Victoria.
In the urban area here and even the rural areas, there has been a high level of contamination of disease outbreak related to poor hygiene. That's why if you go to the hospital there, you'll find people the issue of diarrhea is there, issues of this typhoid and other things are there. So this is why we are thinking that if this approach, this type of interventions are brought to our community, access to our community, the level of diseases can come down.
So since we implemented this project last year, we installed 4 facilities in Iganga and Jinja, and then we have done awareness campaign and then baseline survey, and then this year we are going to install another 4 facilities, which is drinking water and washing hand facilities. This meeting is called Inception workshop. So we are sharing our performances, which is last year, and then we are sharing with them our implementation plan for this year.
This is a KOFIH and OPM WASH project, Busoga WASH project. So for us as the OPM, we oversee and we also coordinate this project. We signed an MOU with KOFIH for this Busoga WASH project. And so far so good, things are going on well, and now we are left with 1 more year to finalize the project. But at the same time, we are writing a bigger project, Mega WASH project, along Lake Victoria Basin districts, also that is going to be funded by the KOFIH. And it's still in the process, and this one is going to be quite huge. My appeal to the community as far as water sanitation and hygiene is concerned is to prevention of these diseases, waterborne diseases. They should learn to wash their hands and be hygienically friendly. Otherwise, they will get these diseases, and yet they are preventable.